Hey everybody, it's Ray. I'm back. Today I'm just going to do a simple, quick, easy video on the harmonic balancers on the front of your small blocks or any of your engines. Don't hammer these on, guys, because you flatten these areas out. It's hard to put your pulleys on, and most of all, you're messing up your bearing, your thrust bearing. So get yourself some sort of a kit like this. You got a deal that you can thread on here real easy. You got all these different adapters. You got this bearing type deal here, and then what you're doing is you're going to put this on there, you're going to thread this in, and then you're going to press that on there. Something else that works is if you got a long bolt with some sort of a washer or a piece of plate on it, as long as you get good threads to begin with, you can start pushing that on there, and then you can go ahead and put your harmonic balancer bolt and stuff in, and take care of the rest of it when you torque it down or whatever. So just word to the wise, don't hammer these on, because you're messing up your thrust bearings. Next thing you know, your crank is walking back and forth. So there you go. Talk to you later.